Hey, what's up guys? It's your friend Fast Eddie. And today I got another one of these Greenlight Artisan Broncos for you. These are the obviously 1/18th scale. This one here is the 1995 Bronco California Highway Patrol. And just like the other ones, it comes in these pretty nice looking boxes, full color. It says Greenlight down here in the foil stamping. It's really nice. Give you a quick look all the way around the box. Yep, that's a box. But it's pretty cool. This one was sent to me, actually, the box was damaged. Kind of sucks. You can see the smash right there. I mean, I'll deal with it, whatever, but... And then this side was a little bit smushed up here at the top. I really like to keep all these pretty mint, but anyway, there is the box that it comes in itself. I'll show you the top. This box so far is the only one that says Artisan on the top instead of what's in the box. Just a green box. Thanks. And then on the bottoms, they just tell you pretty much what they are and the company. It's got the Ford logo on it and all that good stuff. Of course, yes, it's made in China, but just about everything is. So let's open this guy up and see what the actual Bronco looks like inside. Alright, so once again, here we have it out of the box, and these Greenlights have been coming inside of nice thick styrofoam. And then once you pull the lid off, they got this like nice thick plastic film, and then the Bronco themselves. They do keep these caps for them in the top piece of styrofoam, I guess, so they don't get damaged. But let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out. These do come screwed into the styrofoam as well, but let's just go ahead and... Oh, she's beautiful! Set her down. And then we'll go ahead and put the cap on. These caps don't fit on there very well. They kind of just like sit on the top, but looks nice. Anyway, there she is, the 1/18th Greenlight Bronco from the Highway Patrol. Very nice. Black and white with the black wheels. It does have, of course, all the lights on it and the front bash bumper, whatever they call that. Got the chrome bumper on it. Pretty nice. Got the winch on there, chrome mirrors, exhaust. They're pretty detailed. The hoods do not come up, but the doors do come open and the cap comes off. The tailgates do come down. What's odd about this one, it doesn't have the spare tire on the back. I'm not sure for the Highway Patrol if they kept it inside or not, but it's even has the bumper sticker on there for 1-800 Highway Patrol. License plate, third brake light. Really nice. Paint jobs are really nice on these as well. The plastic even shows up really nice. The interior is really good. The only thing I didn't notice, the Highway Patrols just look like the normal interior. There's no, like computers in there, spotlights. But I guess you wouldn't really need them for Highway Patrol. Not too sure, but yeah, close that door up. And see, look at that, the cap popped off. Just like... Anyway, there she is. She's a beaut. Very nice. These Broncos have really sparked my fancy, so to speak. I got 3 of them for now, and I have just about every single one that they're gonna make on pre-order. There's an Eddie Bauer one. There's like a two-tone one. I think another Highway Patrol one. Oh, and the Bronco from Longmire, the TV show, which is one of my favorite TV shows. So I'm really excited about that one. But anyway, enough about that. Here is this one for today. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up, and I'll make some more of them when I get them in. So I'll catch you next time, guys. See you.